अंदू संतोष ट्रॉफी जिखपाचो पुराय यत्न करतले म्हूण GFAचो अध्यक्ष एल्विस गोम्सान टिमीक नेट दिला. चर्चिल ब्रदर्साचो मिडफिल्डर मिकी फेर्नांडीसाचे फुडारपणा खाला गोंयची टीम गुजरातांत विभागी सर्त खेळटली. ह्या विभागांत महाराष्ट्र पंगडाचें आव्हान मातशें खर आसतलें म्हूण कोच अलेक्स आल्वारीस म्हणटा. प्रत्येक गटांतल्यो वयल्यो 2 टिमी फायनल रावंडात पावतल्यो. 2009 गोंय संतोष ट्रॉफी जिखिल्ले उपरांत अजून जिखूंक पावूंक ना.
Santosh Trophy holds a special place for Goa. Now the Goa of the old. The last time we won the trophy was 2008-9, and we have quite a good strong squad now here under the captaincy of former international Mr. Mickey Fernandez, and the squad has been chosen with the help of our coaches Alex Alvarez and Anthony D'Souza, and the overall in charge is our executive member Mr. Arnold Di Costa.
Our boys have all geared up to bring Santosh Trophy to Goa, and I have full confidence in the both coaches and all our players. They have given their level best and try this time the Santosh Trophy in Goa.
Doing our best. The effort of the boys and supporting members, we try our best to at least reach there, maybe in the final also.
Which team will be a strong contender
Mostly Maharashtra.
Yeah, Maharashtra will be the top because they are having some Kekre Academy and other things, even the ONGC boys, Air India. So they will be tough contenders for us.
ह्या म्हयन्यांत गोंयांत राष्ट्रीय बेसबॉल आनी बुद्धीबळ सर्ती जावपाच्यो आसात. 12 ते 16 जानेवारी मजगती राष्ट्रीय सिनियर बेसबॉल सर्त फातोड्ड्या जातली. शाळेच्या भुरग्यांच्या वेगवेगळ्या पिरायेच्या गटांतली राष्ट्रीय बुद्धीबळ सर्त 29 ते 31 जानेवारी मजगती फोंड्यां जावपाची आसा.
We are going to have this meet on 12th January to 16th January. The opening function will be at 4 o'clock in Fatehpur Stadium and closing ceremony will be on 16th. For the opening ceremony, we are inviting Mr. Ramesh Talwalkar, the Sports Minister and Agriculture Minister, and Mahadev Naik, who is the Industries Minister and Corporation Minister.
The age category 5, 7 वर्ष, 9 वर्ष, 15 वर्ष, 13, 17 वर्ष, 15 आणि 17. चलयां खातीर वेगळे हे आसतले आनी चल्यांक वेगळे आसतले. भुरगे हॅज टू बी ऑफ इंडियन नॅशनल. भायल्या फॉरेनर्सांक कोणाक हितून खेळपाक मेळना. And they have to be a school students. And the date cut-off date असता ती 1st January. 1st Januaryच्यान ती इयर्स आसा ऍड करून ती डेट मेळटा तांकां. जो 1st January पयले उरलो जाल्यार फाटलो हितून पडटा तो. आनी ब्लिट्झाची टुर्नामेंटान आमी 54,000ची कॅश प्रायज दवरल्या. 10,000 फर्स्ट, 5,000 सेकंड आनी 7,500 सेकंड आनी 5,000 थर्ड.
इतल्यान हे खबराची त्रांगात सोंपता. नमस्कार.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट.